Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Carrie human hair wig by Jon Renau in one of their chocolate collection colors. This is the Midnight Cocoa color. So this is FS4 3330A. And there's that tag for you. There's lots of natural light coming in through the window, so you can see just how this would look in natural light. The big difference between this color in the human hair version and this color in the synthetic and heat-friendly versions is that it's a little lighter. Part of the reason why it's lighter is because of the fact that it has highlight shades that show up a little bit more red. So the overall consistency of the Midnight Cocoa in the human hair is more red because both that 33 as well as that 30 really pop in the human hair. So it's a little brighter, the highlights are a little bit more pronounced. In the synthetic and the heat-friendly synthetic versions of this Midnight Cocoa color, it's definitely darker overall, definitely a little bit more subdued. The reds don't quite show up as copper as they're showing up on this human hair. This is very true to life, what you're seeing right now with this sunlight. I'm going to go ahead and put Carrie on, but before I do, let me show you some of the cap features. She's got a hand-tied monofilament top, a smart lace front. She's open on the sides, and in the back she has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, and she's also got felt here on the ear tabs. So let's give Carrie a go. Carrie is a pre-cut, slightly below the shoulder bob with a little bit of layering towards the front to help it lay a little bit more nicely. Though you'll want to wash and style her yourself before you wear her. Unlike a synthetic wig, you can't wear human hair wigs right out of the box. They have a ton of chemicals on them anyway. You wouldn't want to. Wash it first. Carrie is a non-Remy wig. Still feels lovely though. It's still a 50-50 blend of Indian and Chinese hair. Human hair wigs, as I've mentioned in previous videos, don't trap heat. They move magnificently in the sunshine. They're very comfortable if you live in a hot weather climate or you just tend to sweat a lot. If you have hot flashes but you don't want to give up your feminine hair, human hair is usually the way to go because it doesn't trap heat. It will always be a little bit more comfortable on. And I highly recommend checking out one of the wigs with the hand-tied caps as well. They tend to be a bit lighter than the ones that are wefted in the back. Let me show you what Carrie looks like all the way around in this luscious Midnight Cocoa color now that I've played with it a little bit. Let me show you this lace front. This is a Jon Renau Smart Lace front, so it starts off a little lighter in the front, gets thicker as you get towards the rest of the monofilament features on the top of the cap. The coverage on the sides is pretty good. I mean, part of my bio hair is still sticking out on the sides, but I have a large head. For most wig wearers, this is going to fit like a glove. It's true to average, just like all of Jon Renau's hand-tied caps and monofilament caps on me. The bang on Carrie is a little over 9 inches, so really long, almost hits below the chin on me. The crown down is 11 inches. The sides are 10.5, so she's very layered here on the sides. And then the nape is 7.25 inches, so she's a really nice mid-length wig. So this has been my review of the Carrie wig by Jon Renau. It's a human hair wig in the luscious Midnight Cocoa color, also known as FS4/30/30A. As I mentioned earlier, it's a little more red in the human hair than in either the heat-friendly synthetic or the regular synthetic versions of this color. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, attempting to do a really thorough job with all my wig reviews. If you like what we do here, please be sure to check out my wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. otherwise known as CysterWigs. And check out our YouTube channel, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon.